Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this Agentforce series, we have covered sales email, field generation, and record summary prompt template. If you haven't already done, check out the playlist link in the description below. Today, we will talk about flex templates in the prompt build. Flex template is a special type of prompt template which gives you complete control of the input and output of the prompts. They are highly customizable. You can add up to 5 related or unrelated objects. Flex templates generate AI-enabled content which is not provided by other templates. Examples include generating a product recommendation or a newsletter and so on. Let us jump into a quick demo to create and test a flex prompt template in our org. For this tutorial, we will complete this part of the project in the Trailhead module. Here we will build a flex template for a custom newsletter. Make sure you have your Einstein AI playground ready and you have enabled the Einstein in setup. Then follow the steps to add the experience data which will be used as the test data for this prompt template. I have already completed this step. Let me show you. From the app launcher, go to experiences and here you will find the test data which I have added completing the steps in the Trailhead module. Now let us create a new flex prompt template. For that, navigate to setup. In the quick find box, type in prompt builder and click on new prompt template. Our prompt template type is flex, so select that from the drop down. Since we are using the Trailhead module, let us copy paste the name description from here. If you scroll down further, you will see that you can add up to 5 data sources to include with your instructions. Let us add the first one, which is reservation. The source type can be an object or free text. For our case, it is object, and the object name is external reservation. We will add one more source and let's copy from here the experience, and the object name is experience. Click on next. This opens the prompt workspace for us. Now we are creating the resort newsletter which is personalized for the guest. The prompt is provided which we will copy paste in this area. You will notice it includes the placeholder values. Everything in the curly brackets here is the placeholder value which should be replaced with the merge fields. To use relevant CRM data, select the resource from the resource pick list, this one. So now we are adding the merge fields. Step number 1 to 7, it instructs us how to add the merge fields in place of the placeholder values in the prompt. Let's complete the first step here together. Find the text, the new guest, and you have to delete it. To replace that text, you have to add the correct merge field. So let us figure out where that text is. New guest, delete it. Make sure the cursor is in the same place. Insert the resource, reservation, external guest, and the first name. This is exactly how it wants. Reservation, external guest, and the first name. Let us complete the steps 2 to 7 and I will see you in a moment. Yes, so we have completed all the steps where we add the merge field. Now let us check the model. If it is Omni AI GPT-4, Omni Mini, and you'll find the model in the template settings on the left. Under model, you see that the same one is selected. Let us click save. This successfully saves our prompt template. So this is what our prompt template reads. You are the director of fun at Coral Cloud Resorts and you're writing a newsletter. This one provides the personalized guest name and what are the instructions you follow. No longer than 3 paragraphs. What are the details you include? And we have also provided clear guidelines and the guardrails that the language should be straightforward, do not use any negative traits, and how do we end the call to action. Our prompt template is now ready to be tested. In the preview section here on the left, click on preview. This is where you will add the test data. So for reservation, Select any reservation, and for experience, we added sunrise yoga. These instructions are given here. How do we test? Let us click on preview. In the generated response, you can see how the newsletter is personalized for the guest. Welcome to the Coral Cloud Resorts, Enrica. So this is the name. The check-in and check-out dates are here. What experience are we talking about? Where will it take place? And what are the details? So this is how we create a flex prompt template. The Salesforce documentation here has few examples that cover use cases for flex templates. You will find the links to this one and Trailhead in the description. This wraps up the prompt builder and the templates in this video series. Like, share and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.